Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be a tutorial of how I condition my hair using the aloe vera that I made in my previous video. On this occasion, I'm going to use 2 aloe vera ice cubes, 1 egg and a little bit of the olive oil and blend it all together. My hair wasn't growing well as I used to, hence why I cut the majority of it. So I'm in the process of just giving it all the good stuff so that it can grow much more healthier and stronger. And egg is really good in making your hair strong and hydrating it. So I'm just about to start the blending process. To be honest, it doesn't take long to blend everything together, maximum 2 minutes I would say, and I'm just struggling here to open it. And this is how it looks once blended. I then decided to add a little bit of the olive oil because I felt it wasn't enough. And this is the state of my hair. I haven't washed it with a shampoo just yet, and it's very dry. As you can see, I'm trying my hardest to overcome this level of dryness. Before conditioning, I'm going to shampoo my hair first. I do have a shampoo that my doctor gave, however I feel like it hasn't been helping me, so I've gone back the natural route of getting rid of the dryness. I finished shampooing my hair and now I'm going to go in with the conditioner. This process is going to be yucky once again. We're dealing with aloe vera and eggs together. That's why I've got a towel around me. Just massaging it through my edges and my scalp all around. As I said, make sure you've got a towel around you because it gets really runny. At this point, I was very much tired of the runniness and decided to call it there. Also, I forgot to mention my head is directly on top of the sink, so all of that runniness, it is not going on the floor, it's going directly on the sink. A little close up, and this is how everything looks like. I was trying really hard from the back, and this is the front. And I'm going to put my shower cap on and let it condition for an hour. I was just looking at myself, then I felt cute, then I thought, why not, let me model for you guys. And this is me after an hour of deep conditioning my hair. I'm now going to rinse it through with lukewarm water, and this is how everything looks like once I rinse it out. Make sure you rinse it out properly and comb through because the aloe vera bits do tend to stay. And thank you for watching. See you next time.